I want to change the basic door locking pins in the Mercedes C-Class in this car, and yeah, I want to replace it with these carbon fiber style ones. And yeah, let's do it. It shouldn't take much time or effort to replace the pins because it's basically just unscrewing them. So what I'm gonna do, I'll have to use like a small nozzle plier or something to unscrew it because it's a bit tight. And in order to not damage the plastic, I will just cover it with just any little towel, or I have this microfiber cloth and I just use it. While I'm turning it anti-clockwise, I should also pull it a bit. So if I pull it at the same time, it will come out faster. And just the beginning part is a bit difficult because it's a bit tight. Once it's loosened up a bit, then it should come out easier. Okay, let me try with my hands now. Yeah, it's already a bit loose, so yeah, I can turn the rest like just with my fingers. And it came out. Here's the new pin. Gonna keep turning until it becomes tight. Let's try it out if it works. Yeah, looks much nicer. It's a nice upgrade. I mean, it's probably the smallest mod you can do on your car, but I think it's still worth it because it doesn't cost much and it's quick and easy to do. Actually, some of the Mercedes models, the back mechanism is a bit different on the back doors. So I'm gonna see if it's the same and if it's easy to put on. Otherwise, I might have to figure out how to do the back. But the front ones, yeah, the front ones are pretty easy and quick to do. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do the back ones now. Okay, I've tried to do the back door pins, but unfortunately it's a different mechanism. So I'm probably gonna have to open up the whole panel and do it from the back side, from inside. If I end up doing it, I'll make a separate video about it and put a link in the description with this video. But yeah, for now I'll just do the front doors. One is already done. I'll just do the other one. And I'm also planning to do some more carbon fiber upgrades, maybe like a wheel cover and some of the panels here, the plastic trim. Whenever I do any upgrade, I'll record it and leave the link in the description for the video. This is the passenger side, also done. Looks quite nice, I think. And the driver's side. Okay, so yeah, I actually like it. I think it looks good. If you also like the tiny little upgrade or mod, let me know in the comments or leave a like, and please subscribe to my channel for more related content. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.